If you hear a noise during braking or notice rust on the brake discs while driving, use the brake disc cleaning function. Press and hold the auto hold button for more than 3 seconds to start brake disc cleaning. Upon pressing the brake pedal approximately 10 times while driving, it will suppress regenerative braking and reduce noise and rust. This function turns off automatically upon completion, but you can end the function early by turning off the vehicle or pressing the auto hold button for more than 3 seconds. While stopped, hold the brake pedal and press the auto hold button briefly to activate the auto hold function. Once activated, the vehicle remains stationary when you release brake pedal after stopping the vehicle. In this state, pressing the accelerator pedal will automatically release the brake and the vehicle will start moving.